Hi guys, my name is Angelica Reyes from TM3.
Hi guys, I'm Kurt Pastor Federico from TM3B.
And we're going to share with you about the travel agencies. What is travel agency? A travel agency is the company of service that specializes in planning and arranging travels for individuals, families, and groups. It serves as a one-stop shop for all travel-related needs, ensuring a hassle-free experience for clients.
Types of travel agencies. 1. Retail travel agencies focus leisure travel, offering services to individual customers or families.
2. Corporate travel agencies handle business or work-related travel, including meetings, conferences, and incentive trips.
Number 3. Online travel agencies operate on the internet such as Expedia, Booking.com, and Agoda.
Number 4. Inbound travel agencies organize travel services for tourists coming into a country.
Number 5. Outbound travel agencies arrange travel for residents of a country going abroad.
And here are the key roles of a travel agency. First, trip planning. They provide customized travel itineraries, including transportation, accommodations, and activities.
Number 2, cost management. Agencies often have access to discount rates and exclusive deals which can save clients money.
Number 3, travel expertise. Agents offer expert advice on destinations, travel requirements, and best time to travel.
Number 4, problem resolution. They assist clients in case of travel disruption like flight cancellation or booking errors.
And here are the advantages of using a travel agency. First, convenience. Simplifies the process of booking multiple services.
2. Time saving. Reduce the effort of researching and planning.
3. Special deals. Access to special rates and exclusive packages.
4. Travel insurance. Ensures travelers are protected during unforeseen circumstances.
And number 5, 24/7 support. Assistance during emergencies or travel issues.
Modern travel agencies. With technology, many travel agencies now operate online, allowing clients to book service anytime. Some use advanced tools like apps and virtual reality to enhance customer experience, such as giving virtual tours of destination before booking.
How to establish a travel agency? First, start deciding if you want it your own or with another person. 2. Decide on the location. Every city or municipality has their own minimal requirement about the office to where it will handle its operations. 3. Think of a travel agency name. It should be unique and has no other sound-like names. 4. Register the travel agency by starting with barangay permit or clearance. 5. After having the barangay clearance, register the name to the nearest Department of Trade and Industry local office. If corporation and partnership, submit all requirement to the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC.
Number 6 is register with authorities. Siyempre, nandyan yung mga BIR and yung SEC and then yung DOT. And number 7, collaborate with suppliers. Building a relationship with airlines, hotels, tour operators, car rental services, and cruise lines to secure discounts and commission. And number 9, join travel networks. Partner with Global Distribution System or GDS like Amadeus, Sabre, or Travelport to access booking system for flights accommodation. And number 10, set up your office and online presence. Number 1, and yung isa doon is yung physical office. Choose a location accessible to clients or set up a home-based office to save costs. And then the second is online presence. Create a professional website with booking features and detailed travel services. And optimize for mobile users and ensure secure online payment system. And yung last, social media and marketing. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and to promote your services and connect with other potential clients.